Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to cancel your CapCut subscription. This will be done on the web and on mobile. So starting with the web option, open your browser and search for CapCut Login. Now once you search for CapCut Login, you'll be presented with some options. You want to click on Sign in CapCut. Right here you can see CapCut.com and then Login. So click on that and it will take you to this page where you'll need to select your account. And once you select your account, in our case, it's automatic because we've already signed in before. But in your case, once you select your login details, you'll be taken to this page. The next thing you'll need to do is to go over to the top right corner and you'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click on it and then right here, you see subscription options. In our case, our subscription is done and we have the option to upgrade. But in your case, if you have a valid subscription, you'll see a different option which will lead you to where you can cancel your subscription. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to a page like this. And here you can see Manage Auto-Renewal. And then of course, you'll see your subscription details. And at the bottom, you see Auto-Renewal, Cancel. Once you click on cancel, a new pop-up window will show and then you can confirm your cancellation of your CapCut subscription. So this is how you can do it on a web version. Now, if you'd like to do it on the mobile version, here's what you need to do. On your mobile device, what you need to do is to go over not to the CapCut app, but to your Play Store app. So if you're using an Android or you're using an iOS, you want to go either to your App Store or Play Store. And then in our case, we'll be tapping on Play Store. So while here on our Play Store, we want to go over to the top right corner and click on our profile icon or avatar. And then you want to select Payment and Subscription among the options. And then once you do that, you're going to locate subscriptions. And then you see CapCut. Again, in our case, CapCut subscription is cancelled, but what you'll need to do is to tap on CapCut once you find it. And once it takes you to this page, you'll be able to see an option where you can cancel your CapCut subscription. You can see it either in the form of cancel subscription or cancel auto-renewal. Once you cancel auto-renewal, your subscription will not auto-renew once the subscription period is over. It will simply stop. So whether you're doing it on the web version or on the mobile version, this is how you can cancel your CapCut subscription. Do let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.